Hello everyone. Today we are going to see what is vocational education and training. The Australian Skills and Quality Authority is the national regulator for Australia's vocational education and training sector. ASQA regulates courses and training providers to ensure nationally approved quality standards are met. So, what is vocational education and training? Vocational education and training enable students to acquire skills and knowledge for work through a nationally recognized industry developed training package. It focuses on practical applications of the skills learned or acquired, and it provides the much needed hands on instruction in a specific trade. ASQI regulates training providers that deliver VET courses to students. When deciding whether to grant an application for the accreditation of a course, ASQI considers whether the course meets the standards for VET accredited courses and the Australian qualification framework. The purpose of these standards is to ensure that when making decisions to accredit a course, renew accreditation or cancel of a course, ASQA considers whether the course meets the industry, education, legislative, enterprise, or community needs, meets the national quality assurance requirements. So ASQA considers all these things. What are the regulatory requirements for developing the vocational education and training courses? ASQA gives accreditation to courses that may be delivered by registered training organizations. Accreditation with ASQA ensures that courses are nationally recognized and meet an established industry, enterprise, educational, legislative, or community need. All VET accredited courses must be delivered by an RTO that has a VET accredited course on its scope of registration. Accreditation is formal confirmation that the course is nationally recognized and meets quality assurance requirements, meets an established industry, enterprise, educational, legislative, or community need, provides appropriate competency, outcomes, and satisfactory basis for assessment, is aligned appropriately to the AQF where it leads to a VET qualification. 2 protocols for training. Create a virtual culture for online training. Virtual culture is just as important as team culture in the office. Virtual culture is based on shared values, mindset, and team rituals, allowing flexibility and prioritizing their safety as a anxiety during the difficult times. Create strong remote network. Use trusted tools and download from an official site to avoid security risk. Choose versatile, cost-effective tools that supports recurring needs and consider options for one-off needs as well. What are the best practices in the industry to provide online training and education? Training programs should be strategy driven. The trainers should align the learning objectives and business objectives to make the training more relevant. So training courses should be strategy driven. Training programs should be supported by key strategies, systems, structures, and policies and practices. Training should be driven through many channels, and training set the criteria to define the success. So these are the best practices in the industry to provide online training and education to the students. Thank you for watching.